Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this garden box planner that this brand sent to me for the video review. And I have to say, I have many things to say about this one, on how good it is and how I like it, and for sure that it's all wooden. That's actually pretty good. This is waterproof, and weatherproof, don't worry about that. This is all stained, so it's not going to be an issue if it stays out in the rain or things like that. For sure, if you can put it out of the rain, that will be much better. But if you don't, that's okay. Don't worry about that. So something that I like about this one, the assembly process. Everything is explained here. Let me get out of the camera. So this is super easy. It's just a tiny book right here. It comes explained right here with all the instructions, and you need all the necessary materials that you need are gonna be in there. Actually, my wife helped me with this. She was the one doing it. She forgot to do the recording on the installation, and I told her, do the recording please, but she forgot. It's okay, no worries. You know what, because this thing took about 25 minutes, no more than 25 minutes stop, so that's actually pretty good. And what about this? So it's actually pretty like firm, I have to say. This once that it comes together is pretty firm. Something that I really like, and I'm gonna actually show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. And we're gonna put some soil and some seed. It's like this right here. It's flippable. You can actually fold it. So this is for you to put your gardening tools and things like that. So that's actually pretty convenient. But if you don't need it, you can actually fold it back again. So that's actually really convenient as well. So let me actually show it to you on a close-up. Let's talk about the size, and let's talk about this soil and the seeds that we're going to use in it. So this racer is 49 by 22 by 32. You can see that the wood is actually thick. You can remove this if you want. You can remove each one of this, but this 8 grit is actually pretty good and comes pretty handy to have it when you're kind of like putting different things. For example, if you're putting like a garden here, if you're putting like flowers or something like that, so you can have each one of the seeds, each one of the vegetables right here, so you don't mix those up. I really like the fact that they build up this grid. The poles right here are pretty firm and solid. So then once that you're ready to plant, you're gonna drop all the soil here for sure. And I really like the fact that it comes with the drainage here, so that's actually really convenient. So a piece of advice, you can do two things here. You can actually add this that they sent it with the actual package. I wouldn't. I mean, this is good, but I wouldn't use this one because it can be a little bit too much, I want to say. It's really nice that they added it together in the package, but instead what I would do is I would grab some of the cardboard of the box that this product came in, some of it, not much, and just put just like a piece or two pieces of cardboard right here, because that's going to help much with moisture and draining the water. Instead of this, I will use a piece or two pieces of big cardboard. So that's my advice here. And last but not least, before opening this one out and putting the seeds, it's really cool. It comes with a shelf right there, so you can actually put your soil bag, you can put your gardening tools, you can put many other things. So that's actually really convenient. Let me actually put the seeds and the soil, and we go from there. Well, I'm not in my best day today. I forgot to hit record when I was putting the soil. I want to actually show you that and putting the seeds, but this is the good thing. So this is the fact that you come with this dividers right here, this grid. So right here I have tomato, more tomato, different tomato. I have lettuce, I have another different type of lettuce, I have carrots, I have cucumbers, I have green bell peppers, and I don't remember what it is. I have a map, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it. But oh yeah, I have another green beans right here. So that's pretty much it. But having this grid, having this 49 by 22 by 32 inches, which is really firm, really solid, that you can leave outside in the weather, with the shelf right here to put your soil bag, you can put your gardening tools and things like that. Super easy to assemble, like in 25 minutes stops, or more than that, with power tools. And having this table right here to use it for just like the flowers, for example, or things like that. It's actually also really convenient. So I'll leave it to it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.